Open your browser and type www.eaglecart.com. Press the start for free button. Enter your email and enter your name. Choose a suitable password and press create your account. Next step, you need to choose your organization name. For example, we choose organization name ZX battery or ZX bat, and we choose I'm just starting as a new, and the next is I can start like a B2B business. Number of employee, for example, I'm just starting alone, I'm a single person. Solo if you have a team, so you can choose. This is just for internal purpose. You can choose anything and hit save. In the next phase, you need to choose your mm, company mobile number for the communication. Choose your currency and choose your subdomain. Until you don't have a domain name, you can use the subdomain name and hit press create. Wait for it to finish. Once your sign up created, you will enter to your admin panel. Once you sign into your admin panel, you will see a dashboard like this. At the top, you can contact the Eaglecart customer service WhatsApp number anytime to get help, and you can revise your store information, store name, email address, telephone number, and the store subdomain, country, and other information. If you want to change this information, go to the region setting and click on the setting. You can change your country, can change your currency and language as well. You can decide the tax percentage. For different countries we have different tax. Every country have different tax inclusive or exclusive in the price, you can choose from here. For the tax name, you can decide like a weight, and the tax number you can decide here. It will show on your order orders slips and your invoices. Also, you can choose for the localization, you can choose your company name in English and here in another second language to show on invoicing. These information you can update from here. In the next step, we choose our theme by clicking browse theme. Eaglecart have a theme library around 20 themes. All are free and customizable as per your brand. By default, we have a Moon theme installed, so we'll go with the Moon theme. To update the theme, to do changes in our homepage and color, design, and banner all around the website, we just need to go to the theme editor, browse down. So you will see that by default the theme have some sections which may we no need these all section, and we can remove some section to update as per our need. We keep for now only four sections, 4 to 5 section: announcement bar, menu, banner, hero banner, the collection page, the collection section, and the product section and footer. So we keep these all four section, save it, and see how it look like in mobile. Our basic theme is ready to be live, and we can see it live how it will look like. So our e-commerce website is ready and customer can browse it now. The next part is that we need to fill the theme with our product, with our collections, and with our theme design, colors. So the basic theme is ready now to live. So by default, we have empty theme, and to start updating with our data, we start from the top, click on the announcement bar and change it as we need. For example, we are wholesale wholesalers from China. This is our one announcement bar. Add multiple announcement bar from here, and even you can remove the announcement bar as you need. The next section is the header. Header, we can choose our logo as per our need. Choose the menu from the menu section, which I will tell you later how to create your menu. Choose your mobile menu if you have a separate mobile menu. Next is our hero section. We can remove the other two banners. We will work for one banner. So later we can duplicate it and just update the banners. Click on the section top and choose the adapt media. So the system will automatically adjust the banner as per you. Update it. Save it. Hit the view button to see how it look like on the website. The next section is collection section. Collection, once we create our collection, we can automatically connect from the collection section. For example, we create 3 collection and we just collect it. View the website, how it look like. We have now 3 sections. The next section is our product section. Product also coming from the catalog. Catalog is connected with the theme. We can choose any catalog to add our product here. Save it. View on mobile and see how it look like. These section have a lot of setting which I will explain in the next videos one by one, because it will take a lot of time to explain how you can do it for yourself. Like for example, this section, we can make it for the mobile. How it will look like in the mobile. We can make it like a slider to slide it. Each section have a lot of more setting to update your sections that I will show you in the next video. Each one by one section I will explain to you how it work. And the next section is the product section, that also we can manage as per our need. We can resize, we can make it a scroller. These all in the next videos I will show you one by one how it work. In today's video we're just going to see how the theme at all is working. Next is our footer section. In the footer section we click on the information. Your website is ready to see. In this video, we are going to tell you the basic how to set up your e-commerce website. In further videos, I'm going to show you how further it's work, and your e-commerce website is ready to be browsed by customers. So in this video, our main purpose was to show you how to set up your theme, how to update your company information, and how to launch your website in basic first version. So our basic first version is ready, and we can see it how it look like on the browser. Both are in mobile and desktop, we can see it. This is not a complete website, this is the first beginning which we show you. You can browse the item, their descriptions. These all are just dummy data. You can play videos as per your need. You can upload videos in your products, and you can do checkout. So this is the first mm, e-commerce website which is ready. In the next video, I will show you how to upload product, how to create collection, how to create a menu, and further how to connect your payment gateway, how to connect your courier company, and more about the design and a lot of things in next videos I will share with you. So to keep update, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get our further upcoming videos.